How to see who sent you NGL messages. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can see who sent NGL messages. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, launch your NGL application in a mobile device. After you open it up, if you navigate to the top, there you will have two options, that is play and inbox. So you have to tap on inbox. Once you tap on inbox, you will be able to view all your NGL messages under this interface. Now, in order to view who have sent this, just below this interface, you will have a button that says who sent this. Tap on it. Now, you will have a pop-up that says unlock. If you tap on unlock, it will ask for you to add the premium subscriptions or the paid premium in your NGL. So that is, you have to pay certain amount of money to unlock that feature. Once you have added your payment method or you have paid the certain amount, then you will be able to view who have sent you the NGL messages. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.